Hello Radio, and welcome to the broadcast day. Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, ready for CB Radio VideoGate, and we're going to QSY to 395 for contact. 9 Tango Charlie 02, this is Newfoundland, Canada, CB Radio VideoGate. Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, CB Radio VideoGate.
Good morning, Canada. This is 237 from the Netherlands.
237 Netherlands. 237 Netherlands. This is Tango Charlie 02 returning.
Yeah, good morning, my friend. Here it's good morning to you.
And good morning to you, sir. And thank you for shouting out to Newfoundland, Canada here and participating in the VideoGate.
USA, we're trying.